Namaskar YouTube. All the main subjects of CBSE Board 2019 is starting from 2nd March and around 18,27,495 students are appearing for 10th board and 12,87,395 students will appear for 12th boards. You all have almost completed your schooling life and you are ready to start a new journey. I know you all have prepared well and still burning your night oil to cover the syllabus. And at the same time you're tensed and worried that whatever you have read, learned or prepared is whether well enough or not. In coming months, your life is going to change in many ways. Like you all are going to face lots of challenges in choosing a career, shifting to new cities, leaving your old friends behind, or maybe not getting the institute of your choice. And I think most of you have already decided the end result of a career. The things that I have mentioned covers a very small percent of your life because your current situation, or let me be very specific, your current result cannot decide the rest of your life. So stop getting panicked and irritated due to long hours preparation for exam and try to enjoy this transformation. Very soon you all will experience many forms of life that is different from schooling years. Whether you go to a premier institute or manage to study in some college, just don't stop working on yourself. Don't stop visualizing the bigger side of your life. Yes, the marks in exam gives you an easy pathway to success, but that doesn't mean if you have scored less, your journey ends here. Actually, best journey sometimes starts when everything seems to come to an end. Your mind starts searching more other opportunities and prospects. So I request you prepare and appear this exam with happy heart and mind. Being a teacher, I want to remind you that tension and worry kills your preparation and over-anxiety distracts you and let negative thoughts enter into your head. So you must stop yourself taking unnecessary tensions to do the exam. So whenever you feel tense or worried, just relax and say to yourself that you have prepared every best thing as per your capacity and God is definitely going to help. As far as preparation is concerned, many students avoid this statement, proper sleep. I know you will not agree with this. Even I am also shooting this video 2 o'clock in the night. But you must take proper rest during the exam. So whenever you feel exhausted, take a rest for a while and again start your preparation. Remember this, a fresh-minded body retains more answers than a tired body. A fresh-minded body retains more answers than a tired body. So with that, I stop here. I wish you all a very good luck for the exam. One thing I want to mention that I am dedicating this video to the Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartman. We know that it's a great day for our country that Abhinandan Vartman is returning back with safe and sound. He is coming back with the same pride and valor that he carried when he chased down the enemy jets and he dropped himself behind the enemy line. But he never lost his courage and confidence and he held his head high even in front of him. So I pray God that He give you all the character of Wing Commander Abhinandan Vartman so that you hit your questions hard during your board exam and you score best marks in your exam. All the very best, all of you do well in your exam. Thank you.